sikretong unti-unti nang nalalantad mula sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Ang isa rito, mga pusong lumalakas ang pagtibok. Ang romantic stud ng Samar, ang sassy vamp ng Cebu, nagkakilala at nagsama sa House A.
Kaya ka ito.
Pero nagkahiwalay ng malipat si Tom sa House B. Dito na-discover nila ang pagkamis at pagkagiliw nila sa isa't isa. Isang bagay na naudlot nang mag-voluntary exit si Princess. Ang mainit na pagtitinginang nabuo sa pagitan nila, naglalagay sa kanila sa number 4 sa The Buzz 10 presents 10 shocking secrets and scandals exposed. Tom at Princess, sa pagkakahiwalay nila, naulila nga ba sa isa't isa? Sa kanilang di pagkikita, maraming pinagdaanan si Tom sa PBB House. Nagkaroon ng karamdaman. Sa pagkatalo ng grupo niya, di rin napigilan ang damdamin at pinagsusuntok ang activity wall. Matapos yun, isinugod sa ospital, sanhi ng kanyang acute rhinosinusitis. Dinaglaon humantong sa isang desisyon si Kuya.
Ang sino mang housemate na maging bayolente ay dapat paalisin bukas ng gabi. Ikaw ay lalabas na.
Ngunit ang naudlot na kwento ni na Tom at Princess kailangang matuloy.
I'm good, darling. You look pretty. How you doing?
Let's just end this naman with a kiss. Total, matagal naman kayo hindi nagkita. Tayo dito. Oo. Sige na.
At ngayon, a steamy new secret mula kay Princess. The sassy vamp of Cebu. May isang malaking deklarasyon sa tanong kung papayag siyang lumabas kasama si Tom sa outside world.
Kung wala masyadong maraming maiinggit. It's a pleasure. Of course, diba? Si Tom, ang daming nahikilig kanina. Or parang, diba? Parang sabi nila, haba naman ng hair ng girl na yan. Hi, Tom. Sorry, can't be there today. In Cebu. Punta ka dito. Yun, if not, I'll see you when I get back to Manila.
Hi, Tom. Welcome to The Buzz. Where did you audition? In LA?
No, San Jose, Santa Clara.
Oh, your mic?
San Jose?
No, I mean...
That's where Great America is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's where it was.
Okay.
So that's, really?
Yeah,
Oh, and then, so you're planning to go back na?
Hindi, natatakot lang ako. Gusto ko talaga magstay sa Pilipinas. Pero natatakot ako because of my actions na nakakahiya talaga.
Kinda nga, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi she's violent eh.
Yeah.
You were violent.
How old
Hindi
are
naman,
you?
oh, it's okay daw.
Hindi, kasi...
How old are you?
22.
22. Ah, that's why. You.
Wait, let's ask him nga.
Hindi, di ba? What?
Have you spoken to Princess since you've been terminated from the House of
Just
Kuya?
that once and hinila bigla. So
You like her.
Princess is someone I'd really like to get to know more of. Na ngayon, I love her deeply as a friend and hopefully...
Wow!
Nakakaloka naman itong dalawa.
As
I
a
love
friend.
you dearly as a friend.
Halika na, Princess. He loves you dearly. Come here.
Welcome to The Buzz. Ayan na.
Oh, let's bring the chair. Oh,
Wow.
can you get the chair for her, please? You get the chair. Inatusan. Eh, alam naman tayo magbuhat ng chair, Rufa.
Halika. Oh,
there.
ito, Tom. Since you're ano naman.
Hi,
sinusuntok mo yung walls.
hi.
Kamusta?
She's a buwana, Rufa.
Yeah, maayong hapon.
Yes. We love Cebu. I love Cebu. Thank you, Cebu.
Yeah. So wait, what can you say that he loves you dearly as a friend?
As a friend.
May boyfriend ka ba?
Di pa nga
Uy,
tapos
uy,
eh.
yung kamay niya,
Wala.
nasa ano na
Oo.
siya, nasa limitana niya.
Parang nasa bahay pa ni Kuya, diba?
Rufa, habang hinahawakan niya, ay, si Venice ay niyakap-yakap na si Baby Jane. Oy!
Venice?
At di naman nangyayari yung anak ko. Nakakalahiya si Baby Jane. Yeah. Nagtago. Natakot sa
Venice? Don't hug baby James so much. Let him hug you.
Yeah, let him hug you? Okay, Why are you holding hands na? Hindi, joke.
Okay.
Are you in a relationship or were you in a relationship before going to the house?
I was before the audition.
And then now, where's the guy?
Yeah, what happened to him?
Fukuoka. He was like,
Ano daw, what?
nasa Japan po.
Japan.
He's British, tapos he knows about the show.
British.
Tas
So may
natakot
pag-asa
siya.
na si Tom.
Ganon.
He wants to get to know you better daw. So if he asks you out to dinner, would you go with him?
Ask you
He's
out on a
gonna
date.
ask me that.
Ano ba, Tom?
Ano, are you asking her out on a date?
I asked her out on a date.
Ah, you did? When?
So when we talk, dun.
Doon.
Pwedeng private na lang.
Pwedeng private
Kasi
na
ano,
lang.
Sumali ko nga sa Pinoy Big Brother. Eh. Gusto mo ng privacy?
Kasi
Na, diba?
for me,
We're
personally,
out.
What?
ayoko mag-presume. So I'd like to take things one step at a time here in the outside world. So kung my chance man for those feelings to evolve in a positive way, then I'd really like that.
Hindi ka natatakot though na meron siyang parang temper?
Oo, baka
I have that.
masyambag ka.
I have that as well.
Di naman ako, siguro, mahirap na situation na yan eh. Sa,
No, I'm asking her. Is it
Oh,
okay?
yeah.
Let her answer. Oh, what?
I have that as well.
What?
I
You have a
that
violent...
temper as well. Hindi lang ako manununtok.
My God,
But
why
it
did
means-
you say it? She has a violent temper din.
not that. But
Ano?
when you get frustrated kasi you say and do things na you don't really mean, diba? I mean, everyone has that. So, I mean,
Okay, so, eto ngayon, last question. If you're to take her out and then your time here is limited because you're not sure if you're gonna stay in the Philippines, saan mo siya gusto dalhin?
I'd like to take her, places na di ko pa rin napuntahan.
Like?
Saan yun yung may kalesa? Cebu din.
Calesa!
Cebu.
Calesa Intramuros!
Romantic naman.
Di
In
pa ako
fairness,
nakapunta
cute
doon.
naman, di ba?
Sasakay mo siya sa kalesa.
Cute naman, Rufa! Bakit? Rufa, masaya naman! I know! Why ba? Ba't kayo
Ako
nagigigil?
na lang hihila ng kalesa.
siya daw maghihila.
Ikaw manghihina ng kalesa.
Okay.
Sweet.
Let's close this and then what is most special in her that made you want to get to know her better?
Talagang yung mix ng pagiging sobrang malambing niya and at the same time palaban. I've never seen those two qualities in one person before. It's really, really attractive.
Malambing na palaban.
Hindi, mga Cebuano talaga, mga malalambing,
Like
di
Tita
ba?
Annabelle,
Pero
will be ready.
palaban din. Tama. Ganun din
Something
naman
about it
ako.
is really...
Ikaw, ano naman ang special sa kanya?
How determined he is when he wants something, like he really goes for it. That's good.
Bagay, I mean, at least, di ba, now that they're out, so
Malay natin.
baka
May
maging
mabuo
sila.
na
Oo,
deeper
exactly.
relationship, right? So dahil dyan, Mrs. Gloria King, let's Nava Samar, happy birthday from Tito Ricky Law.
Okay, and Jet Fam from Avon, thank you very much. Please check out the website avonphilippines.ph and Micaela Salon, Met Whitening Soap, and hi to Arwin Bernabe.
Okay, wait yung boots at yung shorts po ni Manny Pacquiao na dinonate niya sa Shop and Share already available.
Yeah, tsaka si Manny Pacquiao now may concert. He's singing 8 songs at the Mandalay Bay. O sige, kiss na! Kiss, Tom! Dapat
Mas na ako kagabi, ikaw naman.
ikaw naman daw.
Uy, wala. Hindi ko na-feel.
Hindi daw niya na-feel. O sige, well...
Ipa-feel mo.
My God, ang kamay niya, likod
Namumuro lang ako.
Correct.
Okay.
Yan nakakaloka, Rupa. Kanina pa siya himas na himas sa hika.
I know.
It's the first time we've experienced that with a guest, ah. Oh, okay.
O sige na. Marami pa tayong pag-uusapan,
Yes,
Chris.
pagbabalik yan ng...
The buzz!
Buzz!
Bulati ng lahat sa kanilang silent wedding last April. Si Mrs. Julian Santos Agoncillo. May mga nakahagulat na panibagong pasabog.
Si Ryan tsaka si Mami, sila talaga yung magkakampi pag may issue kami ni Ray.
Mga sikreto na ngayon lang niya ibubunyag. Mga sikretong dito niyo lang maririnig. The young superstar, the daughter, the mother, the wife, Julian Santos tells all. Isang secret wedding na mabubunyag.
Sinabi nila na na kinasal na nga daw kami.
Inimbestigahan at ang shocking secret malalantag. Hindi ko makita ang buong katotohanan sa inilihim na kasalan. No comment! Wala Mars! The shocking secrets behind the secret wedding at ang shocking twist sa love story ni Wendy Valdez at Bruce Quebral. Susunod na, dito lang sa The Buzz.